Hi, in this video we will see how we can automate file transfer from one Linux server to another server using SCP command in an expect script where we are passing password as an argument. So here basically we are using an expect script by passing an argument which is the password. Okay, so this is the basic command, SCP command, which we are using in the script to automate the file transfer. So here I have logged in into the Linux server in the temp test directory. So I have the script already written. So if I open the script using Vim editor, you can see that so the starting line of expect script is always starts with user bin expect. Okay, so if this script doesn't work, that means you have not installed expect binaries in your Linux server. So first what you have to do is you have to do yum install expect in your Linux server, which will install the expect binaries. So once it is installed, then you can start using this script. So here we are passing arguments to the script. So for that what you have to do is you have to set the arguments like this: set the variable name and the internal variable name and the index of the argument. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am using 5 arguments I am passing to the script, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are the arguments, and the arguments internally are assigned to the internal variables as listed here. So here I am passing the IP of the machine where I want to SCP the destination IP, machine IP, and the user with which it has to be SCP'd, and then the password of the user of that machine. This is the build source folder, is the source folder which we want to copy from one machine to another machine. Then the destination path where the final the folder has to be copied. Okay, then here I have put some if conditions for all these arguments which is passed. If you are passing as null, then I am saying that the arguments are not passed, and then I will exit from the script. So these are the pre checks for all the 5 arguments. Then this is the part, this is the section where it is actually expect script which is actually doing the SCP. So we have to give spawn SCP -r is for the recursively copying the entire folder. So I am just copying the entire folder from the source machine Linux server to the destination Linux server. So I am using -r for recursive copy. So this is the source folder, then the root user like root, and then the IP of at the rate IP. IP is the IP of the destination machine where I want to copy the files the folder. Then the destination path where I want to copy. Then expect password. So it will ask for, when you do SCP in any normal Linux server, it will ask for password. So you can send the password, which is sent as an argument. Again, the 5th argument is nothing but the password. So you are sending the password and then interact. So this will complete the entire copying of file from one server to other server using SCP command. So let us try this. So the usage of this is nothing but this way. So usage is, so this is how we are using it. So suppose I have a folder called ABC in the same location. So I want to copy this ABC folder from this server to the another server. So what I have to give is, so first I will give the script name, then the folder path, exact folder path with the folder name, then the destination path, then the IP of the destination server where I want to copy it, then the user with which we have to copy, and then the password. Okay, so this is the password where we want to encrypt it, where we want to send the destination folder server password. So this is how the script name, the source folder, destination path, IP address, user, password, this is how the usage of the script is done. So let us run this script and see how it works. The script name is wrong. So sorry, I have corrected the script name now. Let us run the script again now here. So when you run this,